How to fix SSL pending on Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix SSL pending on Shopify. Well, first things first, what you can do is you can check the SSL status. Now, thanks to the website reconvert.io/Shopify help, here you can check out there are reasons why SSL pending error shows up or what does it exactly mean. But I'll just guide you on the steps that you can fix it. The first is to check the SSL status in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the online store, under it domains. There you should see a domain name, and under SSL status it should say SSL pending or something similar. Now you want to verify domain ownership. Ensure that you have properly verified ownership of your domain. You want to wait for DNS propagation. It can take some time for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. This can range from a few minutes to 48 hours. Be patient and wait. The fourth is to check DNS and A name record settings. Double check that your DNS settings in your domain registrar's control panel are configured correctly. Ensure that your domain points to the correct Shopify server. If this doesn't fix it, check your name records. If everything else looks right in your DNS setting, but the SSL is still pending, it might be your A records. You can set your A records address to 23.227.38.65. You can also contact Shopify support and check your SSL certificate. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.